But I noticed during the conversations that the bad moments were a very big issue. How shall we handle the regrets? How shall we handle the bad moments in our life? And that's when I thought I need to ask experts to answer this question. And that's when I went to see people in retirement homes, because they were experts. And I heard many phrases of wisdom, but the following message is a treasure. And that's what I've learned from this lovely lady. She said, Anna, in our life there will be plenty of unplanned moments showing up. And some of them might be amazing, and some of them might be horrible. But one day I decided to take them all, and that's how she did it. I take them all. And because she said, I understood that also the bad moments, they shape my life. Now let's do it like she did it.